Hey guys, in today's email for this week, I want to encourage you to find a way to relax and refresh. For the longest time, I was thinking, well, gosh, I'm working from home, my life should be less stressful, which in some ways it is, but in some ways, I feel like I never get a break, right? Because we're working from home, we're living at home, and every day is just kind of the same. And it's also hard to know when to stop working. So I found a way. Mine was to take off. You see the scenery behind me. Clearly I'm not in Phoenix. So I am actually up in the Los Gatos Mountains with my cousin, and took the long weekend to come up here and just unwind and take a deep breath and not think about work and my business, and then to kind of step back into that and think about what I really want to do next. And it helped me so much to get clarity and just walk away with that feeling of being refreshed. So I think it's hard for us to do that in a regular time, and especially hard now that we're sheltering in place, because it feels like, that we shouldn't need it, I think, sometimes, when in fact we absolutely do. So find a way to do that for yourself. If there's any way that you can get away for a weekend, either with a friend or a significant other, it may even just be like, an Airbnb a couple hours away somewhere where you can just change of scenery and give yourself a break and a chance to just refresh. Gosh, do it, because just because you've been home doesn't mean you don't need a break. So I hope you guys find a way to do whatever it is that gives you that relief that you need and that break, so that you can come back and live your life, do your work with purpose, and not feel so burnt out. So let me know. I would love to hear from you. Respond to this email and let me know, how are you going to take a break? It's super important. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next week.